All right, language explorers. Now, this is a nice Friday, a nice idiom on a Friday. Music to my ears. Music to my ears. Music. Let's have a look. Music to my ears. Yeah, there we are. Something you really wanted to hear. Yeah, really wanted to hear that. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice to know. That's music to my ears. Oh, that's a good sound. That's good. Good to know. The results were music to my ears. Oh, to hear the results, to hear the end information, the end results. Oh, were music to my ears. Yes. Listening to them counting it all was music to my ears. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. To see how things changed was music to my ears. Oh, was music to my ears. Yeah. So hearing about the news was music to my ears. Oh. Yes. The way the machine sounds is music to my ears. Yes. Oh, very good. It sounds perfect. It sounds perfect. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. We think it was music to his ears when he heard the news. Yeah. It was the news. The news was so good for him that it was music to his ears. It was all good news. Yeah, he loved to hear it. Amazing news. Very good. How cool is that? So, music to my ears. Now, language explorers. Can you use music to my ears in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.